All right, ladies and gentlemen, we are going to start with the given information here that x plus 12 is equal to 2 times the quantity x minus 4 plus 3x. So that is our given information, and we are going to need to prove that x is equal to 5. And so we're going to have to use what we know about our algebraic properties to be able to do so. And so our two-column proof is set up so that we have on the left side our statements and on the right side our reasons. And you're going to see that as we start today that the statements are going to be given to us and we're going to fill in the reasons. And then we'll move to ones where one part is missing. Maybe the reason is given and we have to fill in the statement. And by the time we get done, we will really just be given the given information and what we need to prove, and we will need to supply the statement and the reasons. So it's kind of going to be a transition on what is given to us. So if we look at our first statement here, we can see that that is simply just the given information written down, and that should be our first statement and first reason in any of our two-column proofs. And so now we want to look at what has changed from the first statement to the second statement. And we're going to use that then as our reason. And so if you look at what's happened here, this has changed to this, and that is because we use the distributive property. And so our reason behind that is that we have done the distributive property. Now if we look further, we can see that what changed here was that if we look at the 2x and the 3x, those were combined like terms to be able to make 5x. And so our reason for this is a simplification. We simplified there, and what we did to simplify was combining like terms. Okay. If we look from one step to the next here, you can see that this negative 8 has been added to both sides to produce x plus 20 equals 5x, and so that is the addition property. If we look at the next step, we can see that what has been moved or what has been changed is that that x has been moved to the other side. And to do that, what we have used is the subtraction property. In the next step, we could see that the 4 has been moved to give the result of 5 equals x, and that has been done by the division property. And our last step, we move from 5 equals x, and we flip the sides to say x equals 5, and so that is symmetric. And so we started here with our given information, and now you can see that our last step here was what we were set out to prove, that x does equal 5.